What's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are unboxing something special. Actually, I don't know why it came in a plain white box and it says made in China. So basically, you know, the phone that we unboxed recently in the channel, Motorola Edge Plus, it's a bundle of one cover and a few screen protector inside. So let's go ahead and open everything up and check it. So you have 4 screen protectors, so that's really great. All that. Now you have the case itself. One has handwritten Edge Plus on the protecting sheet, which is also kind of cringe, but I think the case is a perfect fit for the phone. It's flexible. Well, this is one of the shortest unboxings in the channel, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.